Okay, I'm at the range with my CZ527 Fox and 223 Remington. I loaded Hornady's 52 grain ELD matches. What I've done is I loaded them in 40-year-old 5.56 millimeter military brass that has already been primed. So the primers are also 40 years old, and let's see how it goes. I must also add that I didn't do any load development prior to this range session. I just loaded my 55 grain full metal jacket or hunting bullet load, which is 23.5 grain S335.